Hey, I'm Diana. I have to share this because this was a #1 home run for me. I've been using screen protectors on my phones for years, and the big issue's always been they break, they fall off, they look crappy with the bubbles, they're hard to put on, and I have to tell you, this was jaw-dropping. When I put this on, just watch. I'm going to show you how I did it and how easy it was because you have this little guide. It lines up everything, and then you just slide this little pulley thing down and it gets the dust off the phone. And then you think there's bubbles there, but that's not. That's this little piece of plastic. When you pull it off, it's like completely bubble free. I was in shock. I was so excited, and I couldn't believe the price when you get 3 sets. So if something does happen and it breaks, you can just put a new one on. And usually, for this price, you're just getting one. So these are tempered glass. They're military grade, shatterproof, unbreakable. The other bonus is I couldn't believe, in addition, you got this really heavy duty, look at how thick that is, lens cover to protect your lenses as well. There's privacy protection in addition, so when you tilt your phone 25 degrees or more, nobody's going to see what you're looking at on your phone. That's something I've had to get used to. Sometimes I'll have to make sure my phone is square on for me to see it, but it's great privacy. The other thing is this new cover resists smudges and fingerprints, and it's got some anti-blue light protection on it as well to kind of keep your eyes safe. So I'm blown away at all the features. It's like it checks every box. I've gone places and had them put protectors on and paid a lot more money, and it wasn't nearly as good. So I'm going to get all my other phones in the household on this stuff. This is amazing. You definitely want to have screen. If you've never had a screen protector before, I don't know what you're thinking, because all it takes is breaking your phone once to learn the lesson, right? And I've done that before. Now I'm not without a screen protector. It's just made such a massive difference. So definitely check this one out. The #1 best one I've ever used in my entire life on this planet is this one right here. So check it out.